Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to know when new videos are coming out. If you're new here, my name is Ndegwa. I'm a fashion designer. Everything that is hanging on the mannequin in my channel is made by me, and most of the clothes that I'm wearing on the videos. Today's outfit, the skirt is by me, but the sweater is not. Thank you so much for tuning in. Since 2015 and beyond, our DMs have been flooded by the magic word hi. In this video, we are discussing direct messages, DMs. I'll be giving you tips on how to write an effective DM so that you can get a reply every time without fail. I will also be telling you exactly what women want and how they want it, this time from a woman's perspective. Stay tuned. Are you ready to write more than hi? Hi sexy, hi love, hi mine. I just found out from my male friends that they don't receive as many DMs as we do, or they don't receive DMs even from people that they don't know. But we receive DMs from people we know, people we don't know, and people we don't want to know. So in today's video, I want to discuss DMs and how, if it's really your intention to get a reply back, how to write an effective one. Stay tuned for my tips. Tip number one, be genuinely interested in the person. Social media is providing a platform for us to know what people are doing, what they're eating, where they are, who they are with, and places they like to go, things they care about, what they're passionate about. We know everything about a person. Find common ground. It could be environment. It could be that they post environmental pictures or something like that. Whatever they care about, write to them on those bases. Be genuinely interested in what they're doing, and then that might help you to strike up a conversation. Okay? Don't just go like, hi babe. Tip number two, use her name. It's very respectful to use someone's name when you address them. Whatever name that they're using on social media, go with that name. Don't call her baby. Don't call her sweetheart and queen. It's a complete turn off when guys write and call you love and baby and honey before they can get to know you. Tip number four, be respectful. This is someone's daughter, this is someone's sister. Hold your lust. Hold your lust until you can enter the safe zone. Tip number five, your job as a man, you're a protector. Make a woman feel safe. The first thing you do is your approach. You have to make her feel safe. You have to make her feel that you would do nothing to disrespect her or to harm her. Okay? Those things that you have been sending us, I mean, hello? We are almost asking for restraining orders from Facebook and all that. And a lot of you have been blocked due to things that you have said to women. Tip number six, women dress for themselves. They don't dress for you. So whenever you see a woman dressed a certain way, she didn't do it for you. If you have walked in big cities around the world, you have noticed women looking at other women. We like to see how other women put things together. We don't look at men when we are walking on the streets. We look at women. Not for you. They're not calling you. They're not asking you for anything. They're not asking for it. Okay? Women dress for themselves. Women dress to feel a certain way. Tip number seven, do not send photos of yourself. You guys know which photos I'm talking about. So please do not send photos of yourself. We don't want it. We don't like it. That's not how it works. And that's not a great way, obviously, to introduce yourself to anyone. So stop it. Photos and flowers and photos of flowers, we don't want it. Okay? Say something. Speak to us. Tip Tip number 8, women are not visual. If you're planning to introduce yourself or have been introducing yourself in the past through visual material, I am telling you, you are doing yourself a great disservice. Women love a good conversation. As you can see, women sit down with other women for hours. We love to have a good conversation. That is how we get stimulated. So if you want to get ahead with anyone, start with a good conversation and you might get somewhere. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified when new videos are coming out. See you next time.